Hold up. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. and and I have asthma. Don't worry about that. But hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I have some carbon monoxide alarms. It doesn't say what it's made by, but it is made by China, made in China. Shenzhen Weija Security Technology Company Ltd. That is kind of like a tongue twister. It doesn't say the model. There's no model on it. Actually, no. Model WJ-CO605. And I bet no smoke alarm collector has these. So I'm about to put the bracket back on. It takes double A's. Okay. So as you can see, it has a number display, LCD display, whatever. It has 3 different lights: fault, alarm, and operate. As you saw, the operate is flashing, flash every few seconds. Let me see if this one's going to flash. Okay, this one flash more. Sit there for a few seconds. Okay. Okay, but well, there you just saw it. Don't mind my voice, cause I'm just using my deep voice today. Well, when I normally speak, it's just using my deep voice. I'm not even yeah. That's how it be in my. But okay, I'm not trying to roast myself, but I'd be like, yeah, like how I'm talking right now. But I'm just gonna talk like this right now. You're gonna test button right in the middle, and you know why this reminds me of kitty alarms? Cause it reminds me of my other alarm up there. Hold up, my can that she was it reminds me of that because there it goes. Of course the fault light is never gonna come on. This 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 alarm light goes off when I test it, but it reminds me of that smoke alarm because it has like this shape in the middle of it, and the test button is at the same spot, and there's a light, big light number, like LCD thing. But the fault, no, this operate this when the lights are actually here. The batteries would be right here, but I'm not. But they're on the back. Okay. Anyways, let's test it. Then yeah. So the other one sounds basically the same. Let's do a test. Both of them. Okay, that wasn't timed. See, okay. But that's basically. Let me get a thumbnail shot real quick. Okay. Okay, that wasn't good. Bro, why? Oh, bro, I should do it. Maybe I took that. Let's see. Okay, whatever. But I'll see which one is good. Oh, yeah. I was supposed to roll my smoke alarms like this. Because y'all told me to. There was a poll on my community things. My posts. And most of them voted yes. But I'm not doing that. Because these are impossible to take off the wall. If I keep pressing this and one of them goes off, I have to end the video.